Good morning, children. Welcome back to grade 4 mathematics online class. So, we are revising the lesson, isn't it, ma? So, in the previous class, we had revised the unit 1 numbers, isn't it? And today we are going to revise the second unit, that is addition and subtraction. Okay? Unit 2 addition and subtraction. So, look at Roman number 1, we have fill in the blanks. First question, in an addition, the number which are added are called addends. In an addition, the number which are added are called addends. So, we maybe add 3 number, 4 number or 2 number, whatever may be. How many numbers you are adding, that all the numbers are called as what, ma? Addends. Okay, A-D-D-E-N-D-S, addends. Okay, so look at here. So, here we are adding 2 numbers, isn't it? 39,089 and 56,806. Okay, these 2 numbers are called as addends. Okay, these 2 numbers are called as what, ma? Addends. Okay, if you are adding 3 or 4 numbers, means that for all the numbers, if you are adding 4 number, means the 4 numbers are called as addends. Okay, and the result you will get, no, that is called as sum. So, if you add the 2 numbers, you will get a result, that is called as sum. So, here 95,895 is the result of adding the 2 numbers. Okay, adding the 2 addends, you will get the result, that is called as sum. Okay, so look at the next fill up. The result of the addition is called sum. The result of the addition is called sum. What is spelling for sum? S-U-M, sum. Okay, look at next one, ma. When 0 is added to any number, we get the same number. When 0 is added to any number, we get the same number. If you are adding a number with the 0, you will get that same number. That means the number itself you will get. Okay, look at next one. In subtraction, the number from which another number is subtracted is called the minuend. In subtraction, the number from which another number is subtracted is called as what, ma? Minuend. What's spelling for minuend? M-I-N-U-E-N-D. Okay, M-I-N-U-E-N-D, minuend. So, if you are subtracting the 2 numbers, we will subtract the bigger number from the small number, isn't it? So, the number from which. So, bigger number is called as what, ma? Minuend. Okay, minuend. So, next one we have, in subtraction, the number which is subtracted from the minuend is called subtrahend. In subtraction, the number which is subtracted from the minuend. Okay, from the minuend, we will subtract a number. No, that number is called as what, ma? Subtrahend. Okay, S-U-B-T-R-A-H-E-N-D, subtrahend. Okay, look at here. So, listen, subtract 4,23,651 from 9,38,695. Okay, so here from which number we are subtracting? From this number. Okay, 9 lakh. So, that bigger number is called as the minuend, and the number we are subtracting from the minuend. Okay, that number is called as subtrahend. Okay, subtrahend. And you will get a result, no? After subtracting the 2 numbers, we will get the answer, that is called as difference. Okay, that is called as what, ma? Difference. Okay, look at the 6th question. The result of the subtraction is called difference. The result of the subtraction is called difference. Spelling of difference is what, ma? D-I-F-F-E-R-E-N-C-E. Okay, D-I-F-F-E-R-E-N-C-E, difference. Next, 7th question. When a number is subtracted from the same number, we will get 0. When a number is subtracted from the same number, that means 3 minus 3, what's the answer, ma? Yes, we will get 0, no? Likewise, 23 minus 23, you will get 0. Okay, if a number is subtracted from the same number, we will get 0. Look at next 8th question. When 0 is subtracted from any number, we will get the same number. When 0 is subtracted from any number, we get the same number. Okay, like addition, when you add a 0 with a number, you will get the same number. No, likewise, when 0 is subtracted from any number, we will get the same number. Okay, look at next question, 9th one. To check a subtraction problem, add the difference to the subtrahend. Okay, to check the subtraction problem. Okay, to check a subtraction problem, what we have to do? Add the difference. Okay, we have to add the difference with the which number? To the subtrahend. Okay, that is small number. Okay, when you are subtracting the number, small number will be there. No, that is a subtrahend. You want to add the subtrahend with the difference. So you will get the minuend. Okay, if you get the minuend means the answer will be correct. Okay, in subtraction. Look at next one. 10th problem. 1234 plus 0 is equal to 1234. So already we learned, isn't it? If a number is added with 0, you will get the same number. Okay, we are getting the same number, no? 1234, the same number we are getting in the answer also. Okay, in the sum place. Okay, next, if you subtract the same numbers, you will get 0. Okay, here 5678 minus 5678, so we will get 0 as the answer. So last problem here, we have 9012. Okay, 9012 minus 0. So we know that when you subtract 0 from any number, you will get the same number. So here we are getting the same number, that is 9012. Okay, I understood this. So Roman number 2, find the sum. Find the sum. So what is given in the bracket, with and without regrouping. Okay, so when you are adding the two numbers with or without regrouping, you will get the sum. Okay, see the first question. Add 6,51,423 and 3,28,254. So first you have to write solution. Okay, this is very must. You have to write the solution and write the two numbers. While you are writing the numbers, you have to leave the space in between numbers and write. Okay, so you will easy to add, otherwise you will feel difficult to add. Okay, have you understood? So here we have 6,51,423. Put the symbol plus. Okay, next line plus. Here next number is what? 3,28,254. Okay, afterwards you have to draw a line. So when you are adding the number, you have to add from the right side to the left side. Okay, add from the right side to left side. So first we have to add 3 and 4. 3 plus 4 is what, 3 plus 4 is 7. Next number 2 plus 5. 2 plus 5. 2 in the mind, take 5 in the finger. If you add means, you will get 7. Likewise, next 4 plus 2. 4 plus 2 is what? 6. Next one, 1 plus 8. 1 plus 8, 9. You can add 8 plus 1, otherwise 1 plus 8. Okay, if you add like this also, you will get the same answer only, 9 you will get. Then 5 plus 2 is 7. Okay, 5 plus 2 is 7. Next one, 6 plus 3 is 9. Okay, 6 plus 3 is 9. So what's our answer? We will get the answer as 79,677. Okay, our answer is 9,79,677. This is called as what, sum. This is the result of addition. Okay, when you are adding the two numbers, you will get the result, that is called as sum. Okay, look at next problem. Here we have three numbers. Okay, so these three numbers are called as addends. Okay, here we have three numbers. These three numbers are called as addends. So see, first we have 20,833. Then here 39,989. Next one, 1,33,455. So when you are writing the solution for addition or subtraction, you have to leave two lines. Then only afterwards only you have to write the numbers, because you will get some remainder values, that numbers we want to write. So for that purpose we are leaving the two lines. Okay, so listen, first number is what? 20833. So we can write 20833. While you are writing the numbers, leave the space. Okay, next number is what, 39989. So when you are writing the number, always write from the right side to left side. Okay, from the ones place to the greatest place value we can write. Okay, so 98993. Okay, then third value is what? 133455. Here also we have to write from the right side to left side. So 554331. And put the symbol plus symbol. Okay, so here we are going to add the numbers now. So put the symbol plus. Now we can add 3 plus 9. 3 plus 9, what will get ma? 3 plus 9, you will get 12. 12 plus 5 is 17. Okay, so 7 we can write it. Okay, ones place we can write it in the down, in the sum place. Okay, so 7, 1 is a reminder. So 1 plus 3 is what? 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 plus 8 is 12. 4 plus 8 is 12. 12 plus 5. 12 plus 5 is 17. Again we got 17. So 1's place is 7 in 17. So we can write the 7 here, and the 10's place remainder we can write in the next value above. Okay, circle that. Okay ma, remainder values you have to circle. So 1 plus 8 is 9. 1 plus 8 is 9. The next 9 plus 9. 9 plus 9, 18. Okay, 9 plus 9, 18 plus 4. You will get 22. Okay, 22. 2 is in the 1's place. We can write it here, and 2 10's place we can write in the balance place. Okay, so next we can add 2 plus 0. We know if you add a number with 0, you will get the same number. So 2 plus 0 is 2 plus 9. That means 2 plus 9 is 11. 11 plus 3. 11 plus 3, what will you get? Yes, 14. So we can write the 4 here, and remainder 1 we can write in the next number above. Next we can add the next place values. Okay, so 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 3 is 6. 6 plus 3 is 9. Okay, 6 plus 3 is 9. So that is over. Next here we have only one value, isn't it? 1 is there. 1 is alone. So we can write the 1 in the sum place. Okay. So what's our answer now? Our answer is 1,94,277. Okay. When you're writing the answer, you have to write the number, and you have to place the comma at the proper place according to the Indian system of enumeration. Okay. Look at next one. Last question we have. Find the sum of the smallest 5-digit odd number and the greatest 4-digit even number. So here we have to find the sum. Sum means we are going to add. What are two numbers we are going to add? We have to add the small 5-digit odd number and the greatest 4-digit even number. Okay, so we can write the solution. So smallest 5-digit odd number. So we know that smallest 5-digit is 10,000, isn't it ma? 10,000. So here they are asking to write the smallest 5-digit odd number. So odd number means 10,001. Okay, 10,001. Next is greatest 4-digit even number. Greatest 4-digit is 9,999. So even number they are asking. So we have to write 9,998. So when you add these two numbers, 1 plus 8, from the 1's place we want to add. Otherwise from the left side, from the right side to left side we want to add. Okay ma? So 1 plus 8 is 9. Next one, 0 plus 9. We know if you add a number with 0 means we will get the same number. That means 9 will get. Next again also 9 plus 0. That is 0 plus 9. You will get 9. Next one, 0 plus 9 is 9. Okay. Then here 1 is alone. So we have to write the 1 in the sum place. So what's our answer now? Our answer is 19,999. Okay, 19,999 is our answer. Okay, have you understood this? We can see one example. So here we have example, add 4,23,803 and 2,74,524. Okay, so we can write the solution first. Okay, and write the value, that is 4,2,3,8,0,3. Okay. Next value you have to write from the right side. Okay, so we have 4, 2, 5, 4, 7, 2. Then we can write the plus symbol. Here we are going to find the sum. No, we are going to add the numbers. Okay, so we can write plus. Then we can add the numbers. So first from the 1's place we have to add. Okay ma? So 3 plus 4. 3 plus 4 is what? 7, isn't it? 3 plus 4 is 7. Next 0 plus 2. 0 plus 2. We know if you add a number with 0 means you will get the same number. That means you will get 2 as the answer. Okay. Next 8 plus 5. So 8 in the mind, take 5 in the finger. 8 after 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So we got what ma? 13 as the answer. So we have to write the 1's place. That is 3 in the sum place. That is result place. And we can write the 1 in the next number above and circle it. Okay. So now we have 1, 3 and 4. So first we can add 1 with 3. 1 plus 3 is 4. Okay. 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 in the mind, take 4 in the finger. Okay. So 4 after 5, 6, 7, 8. So we got 8 here. Okay. Next 2 plus 7. Otherwise 7 plus 2. Same only. Okay. So 7 in the mind, take 2 in the fingers. 7 after 8, 9. So we got 9 as the answer here. Next 4 plus 2. Okay. 4 plus 2, 4 in the mind, take 2 in the finger. 4 after 5, 6 is the answer. So we can write the answer is equal to 6, 9, 8, 3, 2, 7. Okay, this is our answer. Next we can place the comma at the proper place according to Indian system of numeration. Okay. So ones, tens, 100 afterwards. We can place the comma, then 1000, 10,000 afterwards you have to place the comma. So we got 6,98,327 is our answer. Have you understood this? You have only enough portion only to study, isn't it, ma? First lesson and second lesson only 2 Roman numbers is there. So study the portions very well and write the test properly, okay, ma? And book exercise also you have for the test, okay? So book exercise, everything I will send it through our group, okay? So those cannot return that, you have to copy it, okay, ma? So we can meet in the next class. Okay, bye, see you.